when they really know Allah, He is Ahad, unique, one, no partners, and He takes care of everything, and He has no father, He has no sons, He has no relatives, no daughters, no cousins, no uncles, and He is not like anything. He is Ahad, unique. We as Muslims immediately say that Allah created everything, the universe and whatever is in it. That's in the Quran many times. But when it comes to Allah, we don't talk about who created Allah, because Allah is the creator. He created everything that exists, and He's without a creator, and He's without a sustainer as well. He doesn't need anything. He's totally independent from this creation that He's created. The way to think about that is that Allah is, as His names indicate, He is al-awwal, the first, the beginning, wal al-akhir, the last or the end. So He's the total epitome of both of those. He's without beginning, without end. He is always and eternal. And one of His names is as-samad, which is the eternal that is independent from any of His creation.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد